raised by Rupert Oman. So clear question, Mr. In charge, can you reply please?
Honorable Speaker, sir. Reply to start question number 62. A, sir, 4 crores 16 lakhs 64,000. B, sir, number 1 crore 86 lakhs 50,000. Number 2, 67 lakhs 72,000. And number 3, 1 crore 62 lakhs 52,000.
Zero, Rupert Oman. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. As we are aware that sports is a very important part for this generation, and it is necessary. Sir, so you are researchers, and I don't have any further
I would like to know from the Minister in charge of Sports and Youth Affairs, the distribution of funds region-wise. Can he provide district-wise with regards to the distribution of funds?
Mr. Speaker, sir, the distribution of funds district-wise, Khasiyat, sir, in East Khasiyat it's 82 lakhs 50,000. In West Khasiyat, sir, it's 23 lakhs 54,000. In South West Khasiyat, sir, it's 50 lakhs 52,000. In East and West Khasiyat, sir, it's 20 lakhs 10,000. In Leeward District, sir, it's 50 lakhs 52,000. Which is 1 crore 86 lakhs 50,000. Whereas in the Garo Hills region, sir, in East Garo Hills, it's 26 lakhs 88,000. In North Garo Hills, it's 26 lakhs 88,000. In West Garo Hills, it's 40 lakhs 74,000. In South Garo Hills, it's 30 lakhs 52,000. In Southwest Garo Hills, it's 37 lakhs 30,000, which equates to 1 crore 62 lakhs 50,000. Whereas in Jante Hills, East Jante Hills, it's 23 lakhs 40,000. In West Jante Hills, it's 23 lakhs 86,000, which comes to 67 lakhs 72,000.
Thank you. May I add another question? With regards to the athletes, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge of Sports how many athletes have been taken in and what are the different disciplines?
Honorable Speaker, sir, see how many athletes have been taken in, it's a very large number, sir, because these funds have been distributed to all the associations of the sports club as well, sir. So all these athletes are in that association, and so say that individual, particular how many athletes, so it's a huge number, sir, but these funds are allocated to all the associations as well, so they can train the athletes.
So may I know from the Honorable Minister whether it is the amount that is being spent on the association, sports association, or on the athletes? As far as the question is concerned, I got the information and knowledge that it has been spent on the athletes.
Sir, it is indirectly spent in the athletes and the associations. Number one, we have programs that we directly spend for the athletes, which is totally a different program which we call the program. So that's how it's been directed in the athletes. But this reserve of the funds that we've spent is that it's been indirectly to the athletes but through the association.